Hello, today I'll unbox the nice white Thermaltake Toughpower GT Snow 850 watts, a fully modular power supply, and install it in the Fractal Define 7 PC case. This Thermaltake PSU features 80+ gold efficiency. The box has a clean design and includes all necessary information about the specs and features. On the back, you can see the main connector specifications. A nice bonus is the ultra-quiet Smart Zero fan, which ensures silent operation. Inside the box, we have the manual and a convenient bag for all modular cables, perfect for storing unused cables, which can be useful for future PC upgrades. This PSU features a 120mm hydraulic bearing fan that stays off at low load for quieter performance. On the side, we have a fully modular interface with clearly labeled connectors. This model delivers up to 850 watts, has 80+ gold efficiency, and includes full protection features. Now, let's play some background music and start the full, detailed unboxing and installation of this PSU in the PC case.